Hello everyone, welcome to join Golden International Health Free Education. My name is Mary Huan, Invention Create Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales. Today we will teach Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales, the application knowledge target for you self-protect your own health. The correct modern knowledge, Golden International Daily Actions. Golden International Daily Actions. It consists of 40 different actions, total of 80 Golden International Daily Actions, original education video courses. About a brief introduction, Golden International Mobile Health Life Sales and Golden International Daily Actions. For participants to learn and obtain effect and so on, we already put on the following after the teaching video. Please, everyone must watch and read carefully. Now we will teach amount action. Now we will teach one action among Golden International Daily Actions. First, we will teach leg actions. Weight, shift the desk weight, desk leg, and the desk leg step out. One stretch, and then shift weight to desk leg, step out. The two leg to the feet form V shape, little big, cannot small, little big. Yes. So now we do 2 times about the leg actions. Very good. Now we will teach hand action. Hand action have 2 different action. First action, hand. Single straight and open, close, open, close. One slide, 2 leg, 1 slide. The high, no big deal. How high you can do, just try do. Yes. So you should do that's not standing and down, head down. And the eyes close, open, and with count. Close, open, eyes. So now we connect first action, hand action with leg. 1, 2. Yes. Your head should first raise, not back. Okay, you've got to raise. You should back. You should head first raise. Yes. And now we do 2 times. First arm action and back action. Very good. Second hand action is 10 palm out and also close, open, close, open. Eyes also close, open, but the head turn. Yes, head turn. Okay, now we do second kind hand action and with head, eyes. Yes, very good. Now we connect two kind hand action, eyes action, head action, leg action together to do 2 times. Very good. Now we connect two kind hand action, eyes action, head action, leg action to do 4 times. We need a count. We choose the 2 kind different language, English, Han. Somebody asked, why should we choose 2 kind of different language to count? Good question. Because we need to protect our trip. Long, far away bronchitis, pandemic, long disease, and so on, many diseases. So we need count. Use the 2 kind of different language. In here, we choose English, Han. Somebody also asked, excuse me, I cannot speak Han. Doesn't matter. You can choose your hometown language. For example, you can choose English and Spanish language. Only need 2 kind different language. Eyes close, open with count. And head turn. You should only 90 degree. Okay, cannot slow, no, only 90 break. 90. Yes. Okay, now we will do 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. Yes, very good. Do that action, couple things we must know. Number 1, the feet, the 2 formed V shape should be bigger, cannot smaller. Yes, and 4 feet touch floor. Cannot use toe only, 4 feet. And feet touch floor should lightly, cannot make any voice, any sound. Leg should straight, cannot bend. And when you're down, you should palm is less, if it's deeply, then knee. Cannot do that way, okay? and cannot touch ground. Yes, only deeply than knee. And hand sway straight. Cannot make. Yes, straight. One flag. Back it. And the eyes close, open, is open, really open, and close, really close. Head turn. Yes, make it correct. Okay, now we connect hand, head, arm, and leg together to do 20 times. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 3、2、3、4、5、6、7、8、9、10、11、12、13、14、15、16、17、18、19、20、21、22、23、24、25、26、27、28、29、30、31、32、33、34、35、36、37、38、39、40、41、42、43、44、45、46、47、48、49、50、51、52、53、54、55、56、57、58、59、60、61、62、63、64、65、66、67、68、69、70、71、72、73、74、75、76、77、78、79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127, 128, 129, 130, 131, 132, 133, 134, 135, 136, 137, 138, 139, 140, 1 7、8、9、10。Very good. Somebody say, I cannot bend deeply too much. I cannot do that action. Doesn't matter. Yes, for beginner, maybe you do difficult, but you can use some action instead. For example, study, you can do that. Eyes also closed. And then you can do that. After 10 days or 20 days, you can do that. And finally, absolutely, you can do that. One by one, trust yourself. Because that's action, no big difficult, not too much. It is easy, so you can do one by one, little by little, little by little. Finally, you can do right away, protect your health. Then correct knowledge, must correct knowledge. You can discover, protect your own health. It is easy. At home, every day you can join Golden International Daily Actions. Of course, you gotta have far away from pandemic, bronchitis, and many, many different diseases. You'll enjoy your healthy, wonderful life.